yet. It's only in your head to feel left out. Look down on. Just try your best. Try everything you can. You know you're doing better on your own, so don't look in. It just takes some time and let go. You're in the middle of the ride, and everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Hey, you know you're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own, so don't look down. Just live right now. You just be yourself. Doesn't matter